Stand up. Stand up, man.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice
that was
job,
awesome.
buddy.
Thank you. That was awesome.
Great job, man.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Awesome.
What'd you think about that, AJ?
That was awesome. That was fucking awesome.
Was there any, hold it, stay right here. Hey, was there anything special you liked about it? Favorite
Jumping.
part?
Oh no, I gotta say,
coming
the
out?
canopy, doing the twirls and stuff was awesome.
Do me a favor, one more high five for the man. I told you in good hands with Sammy.
Thank you. That was awesome.
Thanks for coming to Skydive Arizona. You do it again with
Yeah.
us?
Oh hell yeah.
See you next time, brother.
Yeah.
All right, bud, let me get that uncomfortable harness off you so you can walk around like a normal dude again.